education. Myself Saboni Dhara, and I wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. With the beginning of this year 2021, we are also closer towards our board exams. So we should not forget that we have to prepare ourselves without fail. So I'm here to help you all for the board exams. Today my topic is going to be based on English writing skills. In the last video, we have done views and counterviews, and many of the viewers and subscribers and also my students personally messaged me and viewed about this video. They commented positively stating that it was clearly understood by you all, which was not cleared in before. So that is why, likewise, today also we will going to deal with a very different topic, which is called as appeal writing. So what do you mean by appeal writing? What does it matters? How to write it? And what are the ideas and from which ideas we should apply in this particular writing? So without wasting the time, let's start and begin the session. So students, an appeal means it is one kind of an earnest request for an aid, support or participation in a social cause. That is called as appeal writing. So students, appeal creates awareness. It also motivates the people to tackle the problems which is there in the society together, not by only one person individually, but with a gathered togetherness. They will going to give a request to the concerned department or to concerned peoples not to do that, or some request has been stated in this particular appeal. So basically, appeal writing is one kind of an humble request to eradicate the problem in the society, or you can say it is one kind of a humble statements stated by a group of peoples together so that they can make a stand in front of the society to eradicate that particular problem. Students, we came to know what you mean by appeal and what are the appeal writings all about. So now we have to see what to do when there is a question of appeal and how the question is all about. So students, basically in the question they might be asking you that write an appeal writing tree plantation during this monsoon, and you all have to follow the points which is mentioned below. The points may be of 4 types or 5 types. In those points they might be asking for a good logo or a picture. Second will be humble and requested language should be used in an appeal writing. Third, attractive slogan should be used. And the fourth one, what are the benefits of planting trees in our society or on the earth? So these kind of 4 points they may give you, or 3 points or 5 points, and they ask you to write an appeal writing based on those things. So students, this was all about the questions. But what about your answers? How you will going to write with the instructions? So I will be telling you now little tricks about how to write an appeal. Students, trick number 1. To enlist all the slogans which you will find in newspapers, magazines and internet, and keep that list with you. Before 2 days of your examination or for your board examination, you just need to refer. This will make sure that you are aware some of the slogans and you can recreate also. If some students wants to recreate it, do it right now and keep a list with you and refer it whenever it is possible. So this will help you out in the examination hall not to think more and not to consume much more time. Students, trick number 2, that you should always use easy picture or easy drawings which you are able to do it. Trick number 3, use attractive languages. I am focusing you all to listen it very carefully. Attractive languages includes sobriety and also simplicity. The attractive language should be short and simple. It should not be so lengthy, because you should not forget that this is not an essay writing and neither it is a letter writing where you can expand your ideas. It should be simple, it should be easy to understand, and it should be attractive language so that the appeal should catch up the mind of the readers. So this is only the motive of using language should be attractive. It should be easy, simple and attractive language to attract and to make the reader about the awareness of that particular topic in the appeal writing. That's it. Trick number 4, students. To use advantages or merits of the given topic. Say for example, if the topic is all about tree plantation during rainy season, so if you will go ahead with the advantages of planting of a tree, what are the benefits of the tree which we are getting on the earth, which we are receiving, we are using, so that will impact more in the appeal writing. So that is why 2 to 3 or 4 points maximum, you just need to concentrate on the merits or advantages of that particular topics in the appeal writing. This will impact in the minds of the readers. Trick number 5. Trick number 5 is this. At the end, I just suggest all you students to concentrate in the trick 5 very clearly. Is that, as you know that it is an appeal writing, so it is for the benefits of the society. That's why what will be the cost after the request being accepted, that thing you can write over here in the end of the appeal writing. For example, let us all join hands to plant and to adopt a tree. So this kind of a message, if you will going to write in an appeal writing, this will going to impact in the reader's mind, and your appeal writing will also come up with those ideas which is there in your mind. So that is why the language should that much attractive, easy and simple to understand, so that the reader can catch up the message of the appeal writing. Basically, students, this was all 5 tricks of making your appeal writing very nice and perfect. But on the other hand, what all are the things which you should do on a regular basis? The regular basis you need to do is to read the newspapers, magazines, and surf internet regarding different topics of the appeal writing, request, and the language what they have used. This will definitely help you all to make your mind sharp in the English literature. And also this will going to give you a very big enhancement in the language. Also, if you will keep reading different topics which is related with your board exams or English writing skills, this will going to help you in the examination hall, because there you will get limited time, and with that limited time you have to prepare yourself. So if you want to score a very good marks from each and every topic, whether it is a counter view, views and counter views, or it is a appeal writing, over here and each and every topic should be covered with a systematically approach. So for that reason, you need to do planning on a regular basis. So students, this is all about an appeal writing. 5 tricks which I have used in this particular video. You need to follow those tricks to achieve and to get maximum marks. Also students, if you really liked my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel Dhara Education, like it, comment it, and also do share with your friends. Another important thing students, if you want any other related topics, don't forget to please comment me so that I can get to know about your views and about your preferences, and I can make another video for your request. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and also don't forget to wear your mask, keep a distance, and yes, do care of yourself and your family members. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.